Alright, so I had to take a little bit of a break there and help the guys. So if you take a look right here, we have a piece of the line coming out of this conduit, which will tie into this hydraulic load cell. Okay, this is copper line. Jeff has it numbered. We also have the end of it taped off to make sure nothing gets into it. We will, when we go to terminate all these tomorrow, we'll cut these with a good brake line cutter. Right now they're just snipped with a pair of snips. But what the challenge is, let me get up here, is as they go through these LBs, there's one there and there's one there, we have to use caution that we don't kink these lines in here. So we've made a nice gentle bend, and as we're pulling, we're using caution to make sure that none of these lines are bent. Customer wanted it put inside this car flex to protect them due to all the trouble that they've had in the past. And that's what she looks like. The guys are down here getting ready to make the next pull.